In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Analytics custom reports for e-commerce. We'll build a focused e-commerce report in GA4 using the Explore Workspace, which gives you flexible drag-and-drop analysis. To follow along exactly, open the GA4 demo account and choose the Google Merchandise Store property. This lets you experiment safely without touching your own data. On the left, click Explore, then start with a blank, or choose Freeform. You'll see two key areas: variables on the left, where you load the building blocks, and tab settings on the right, where you design the table. Let's load the dimensions first. In variables, click the plus next to dimensions. From the e-commerce group, add item name and item category. While you're here, it's helpful to include additional breakdowns like item brand, item category 2, and item category 3. If you're analyzing acquisition, also add session source, medium. Click Confirm to save your selections. Now add metrics. Click the plus next to metrics. From e-commerce, select items purchased, item revenue, e-commerce purchases, and key events if you're tracking conversions. To get a fuller revenue picture, also add gross item revenue and item quantity. Click Confirm. Next, apply a segment so you're clear about who's included. Click Add Segment and choose All Users for a baseline view. You can add more segments later to compare audiences, but we'll keep it simple for now. Design the table in tab settings. Drag item category into rows to group performance by category. Under rows, you can add item brand and item name for deeper drill downs. Then drag your metrics: item revenue, items purchased, gross item revenue, item quantity, and e-commerce purchases into values. Sort by item revenue to surface top performers first. If you want to focus your analysis, add a filter. For example, filter item category to a product family you care about, or filter session source/medium to analyze traffic from a specific campaign. Filters don't change your data collection. They just refine what you're looking at in the table. A couple of quick tips as you explore. If your table looks sparse, broaden or clear filters, and make sure you're on a reasonable date range. If conversions seems low, verify that your key events are marked as conversions in admin. And if you need a cleaner view, collapse the variables panel once your setup is done. That's it. You've created a custom e-commerce report that organizes products by category and brand, shows revenue, purchases, and quantity, and can be sliced by channel or campaign. Use it to spot best-selling items, underperforming categories, and quick optimization wins.